Imagine waking up to an ocean so blue it feels unreal, to waterfalls hidden deep within rainforest, to volcanoes rising above emerald jungles, and to a place where life still moves to the rhythm of nature. This is not a fantasy. This is Samoa, a tiny island nation hidden in the heart of the South Pacific, and perhaps one of Earth's greatest secrets. There are places that leave you speechless. And then there is Samoa's most extraordinary wonder, a giant ocean trench filled with crystal clear water, surrounded by tropical gardens, connected to the sea beneath ancient volcanic rock. From above, it looks impossible, a doorway to another world. Yet this place is very real, and for generations, it has been part of Samoa's story. Samoa is made up of islands born from fire. Volcanoes shape these lands, rain shaped the valleys, and the Pacific Ocean gave them life. Here, jungles tumble down mountainsides, palm trees dance in the wind, and every road seems to lead toward the sea. There are no towering skylines, no endless traffic, only nature, living in perfect balance. Water is everywhere in Samoa, falling, flowing, breathing life into the islands. Some waterfalls crash into deep canyons, others disappear into emerald pools, hidden beneath thick rainforest canopies. They have been here for centuries, untouched, unhurried, beautiful. And standing here, you begin to understand why paradise is not a place. It is a feeling. But Samoa was not created gently. Beneath this beauty lies immense power. More than a century ago, volcanoes erupted, lava swept across villages, churches disappeared, entire communities were buried, yet life returned. Trees grew through black rock, flowers bloomed where fire once flowed, and Samoa became something extraordinary, a place where destruction gave birth to beauty. The ocean is everywhere here, endless, turquoise, alive. The beaches stretch for miles, palm trees lean toward the sea, and beneath the surface, coral reefs flourish. This is not the loud paradise sold in brochures. It is quieter, gentler, more real. Long before maps existed, Polynesian navigators crossed the Pacific Ocean, guided only by stars, ocean currents, and courage. Their journeys covered thousands of kilometers, and Samoa became one of the great centers of Polynesian culture. Even today, that spirit remains, alive in every dance, every song, every smile. There are places on Earth that impress us, and there are places that change us. Samoa doesn't ask for attention. It simply exists, wild, peaceful, extraordinary, a reminder that paradise was never lost. It was here all along, waiting in the heart of the Pacific. And this is just one corner of our planet. There are still places out there, wild, silent, untouched by the noise of the modern world. Places that don't just change what you see, they change what you feel. This is Worldscapes, where we don't just explore Earth, we experience it. Subscribe, and let's discover the worlds hidden on our own planet.